and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Hi everyone, so today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and today's makeup look is going to be a turquoise makeup look. So I'm just starting off my face with applying the primer all over my face, and yeah, I have moisturized my face already, so I'm just going to prime it straight away. And now I'm just going to put on this Turquoise concealer under my eyes, and this is the new kind of trick which I have seen nowadays, so I'm just trying to apply it this way. Now I'm going to blend it with my 100 years old beauty blender. And now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to pick up this light brown shade to make my crease. And now I'm using this Makeup Revolution another palette, and I'm taking out this pink eyeshadow and spreading it all over my neck. And now for the outer corner, I'm using this black eyeshadow. And now with the help of my concealer and a flat brush, I'm going to make a cut crease. So I'm going to apply this concealer on a flat brush on half of my eyelid and spreading it on halfway through. And now I'm going to apply this turquoise shade with the help of my finger, because it blends even smoothly when you apply it this way and more appealing. So I'm just applying this turquoise eyeshadow and blending it with the orange eyeshadow from the outer corners. And now I'm going to use this turquoise eyeshadow under my eyes as well. Now I'm going to apply kajal, because without kajal I can't survive. I love kajal. Now I'm applying a highlighter on my inner corners, and now I'm going with the liner as well. Now I'm going to apply this mascara from Essence, and this mascara is so bomb. I love it. And in the last, I'm going to do my face. I'm applying this foundation from Fit Me, and then I'm going to apply this translucent powder under my eyes just to make it smooth enough, and also on the contour area as well. I'm done. So this was the makeup look, and that's all for today. It was very easy, and I hope you guys like it, because I really love the end look. So I hope you guys like it as well. That's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.